You're here because you just saw a TikTok video, you clicked the link, and you've probably been trying to find a working from home situation or maybe a remote work situation where you can work anywhere in the world. Mexico, Spain, your living room, the hot tub, doesn't matter. I'm in my house right now working from home, and I've been doing that for the past 3 years. So I'm not here to sell you anything, and I'm not here to give you empty promises. I'm simply here to give you a simple process that's a couple steps where it's information that you already have, assets that you already have, so that you can start today and find your first paying client within the next 24 hours. And by paying client, you don't need a business. I just want to mention that. We're going to take care of all that for you. The truth is, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. So, to start making money, all you need is a proven system, a way to connect with people, a way to find those people, and a way to get results for those people. Here are 3 easy, simple steps on how to do that, and let's jump into it. So, step 1, you're going to want to find people who might need help. These are people that are already asking for advice or looking for solutions, and you can easily find them in places you probably already use, like Facebook, which I'm on right now, LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram, email, your phone contact list. There's so many opportunities. So for today, really easily, I'll show you how to do Facebook, LinkedIn, email, and phone. So for Facebook, you can go to groups, you can search groups, and if I know that my product is helping agency owners, let's just say, which FlowChat does, so we'll just talk about that today. So I'll type in agency owners or owner, let's say owners. We'll go to groups, and then there are groups that I can join. There's 9,000 people here, 6,000 people, 6,000 people, 33,000 people. So let's say I want to join this group. I simply click on it, hit join. There might be some questions. So usually if it doesn't directly go in on private groups, there's questions like this that pop up. So just answer, right? Toronto. Do you, yeah, sure. What's the best email? They go to flowchat.com. I agree to the rules, submit. Then I'll get accepted. Once we're accepted, just to show you, we'll go into a group that I'm already accepted in. So we'll find, just go to this group here, right? Once you're in, you'll be able to go to the members section. Very simple here. You'll be able to scroll down, and another little tidbit, we always like to go to the section that says members with things in common because the Facebook algorithm loves this. So these are people with mutual friends, things that you've liked together, so like restaurants, followers, influencers in the space, business pages, etc., or you're probably in a close location. So what you're going to want to do is find people who own a business or founders. There's all these titles here. You can see this that I look for personally, and you can write these down on a spreadsheet and find them simply by looking at the title. And once you find them, all we have to do is open up the profile, add them as a friend, hit this button, right? That's it. And then we would send them a message. So the message, very simply, and you can take this, we won't overthink it. I'll say, hey, name, I've helped a few people with this before. Let me know if you're of interest. I'll keep it short and sweet, just starting a conversation. So we have pre-built templates inside FlowChat that we use, so we can just copy paste. And even with FlowChat, you can automate this, which is really cool. So hey, Lawrence, and to go look at his post to go see, right? Unlock the power of customer reviews to grow your business. That's his thing. So we can just go back. Saw your cover picture. On how you help businesses grow with Google reviews, because that's what he does. Now, we're not going to say I've helped a few people. We'll say I go here. We're going to take this out because he has no problem right now. We'll say I'm working with the co-founders at FlowChat, and I think their software might help you connect with more qualified, with more clients. And then we say, let me know if you're interested. Right? We'll keep it short and sweet. Let me know if you're interested. No pressure here. and send. So there we go. You can do that 10 times in one day. The chances of one person responding to you are super high. And then you just continue the conversation. And all you'll have to do is point them towards our booking link. So you would send them a link and book a call with our team. So once you get to this point, don't worry, we have a plan. If you're already at this point, go ahead, click the button below. You'll get to go through a quick couple questions, and then you'll get access to our free FlowChat Affiliate Academy, where you'll be able to get your affiliate link and learn other ways on how to get up to $500 per month recurring revenue. So this is Facebook. We can do the same with LinkedIn. Super easy, right? We're gonna go in here. You can find groups again, right? So if I was looking for maybe software companies, right? This is software as a service. So I can go look, and there's almost 176,000 members in here. Go look for founders, owners, the same thing. I don't want to deal with people that do not have a CEO title, a founder title, a owner title, because they don't have decision-making powers. So there's another one, CEO, right? And then start connecting with those people. Very simple on LinkedIn. We don't want to send a note when we connect like I just did on Facebook. What we want to do is look at the profile, make sure they're a good fit, right? If this is a software company, I like to go after the Commonwealth countries. So that would be North America, United States, Canada. You have United Kingdom, which is a good one. Europe, there's a couple of great countries to go after. And then also Australia, New Zealand, another great spot. So it's called the Commonwealth because they use the same banking system. You can go ahead and just Google that and you'll find the countries to go after. So with LinkedIn, very easy here. We hit connect. Once we know it's a good lead, excuse me, send without a note. So we don't want to add a note. And then we connect. And on LinkedIn, we wait. There's nothing we can do here. We just wait until Ross here connects back with me, and then I'll be able to send him a message. And at that point, once we're connected, that's when we can start a conversation like I did with Anna here, who's a podcast host, and that's her business, right? So we'll send you some templates if you're using FlowChat, so you can have this exact way of talking to people, getting booked calls very easily. You can even automate it with FlowChat, which is really cool because I used to do this manually and I've done it manually here. So you can do it for free, right? Last thing, email and phone. So you can grab your phone, go look at your contacts. If anyone you know that it's a business owner that they're on social media, they're using LinkedIn, they're using Facebook, they're using Instagram, they're using TikTok, and they want a way, or maybe they don't even want a way, but you know that they're doing that, show them FlowChat. Simply send them a link. If you're in our affiliate in your affiliate account, you'll be able to use the affiliate link to be able to, one, get them to purchase if they're ready to buy, or two, book a call with us if they need some more information, and that's our team, the FlowChat sales team, or three, you can go and just send them a video to watch and they learn about FlowChat. If they end up buying even down the road, you're attached to that person once they click that link. It's called a cookie. So really cool and kind of funny. So yeah, with email, very easily. Sometimes you probably get promotion emails. All right, so a really easy way is to go into your promotions tab. So I believe, there we go, promotions tab. And then these are companies. So sometimes the CEO might be messaging you and you can message them back. That's one really quick way. Or if you, once again, same way with your phone, if you know somebody and you have their email, you know their business owner, it could be maybe a friend or maybe somebody you know, a friend of a friend, and they're in the industry of growing their business, which most businesses are. They're using social media, and if they're not, they're probably missing the mark. So then you come here and we can show them how they can use their social media assets to grow their business. And that's without doing any paid advertising, without doing any content posting and whatnot. So it's purely just using the FlowChat software. Awesome. So that is very simple and very easy for anyone to do. You've now learned how to find your first client within, I'd say, a couple hours, but let's just say within 24 hours, and you get a response back and the game is done there. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you are curious on how to multiply this and keep doing this time and time again and having this done every day and doing it automatically so that maybe you can go around and have a coffee while this is being done, go ahead, click the button below. You'll see the button below here. That is a quick couple questions to know if it's a good fit for you. If it is, then you will be put into our FlowChat Affiliate Academy for free, 100%, and you'll get your first 30 days in there, laid out exactly what to do, step by step, how to get your first 10 clients so that you get over $500 of recurring revenue every month in your pocket as long as those clients stay with us. And you can keep growing that. Sky's the limit. We'll see you on the inside. And imagine putting in the work today and waking up tomorrow to your first potential paying client saying, yes, I'm in. That's what's possible with this strategy. Now, if you don't already have a product or service that you're currently offering, no problem. You can use FlowChat's backing, use our product, our case studies, our client testimonials, and opposed to it, click the button below. You're going to go through a couple questions. We'll see if it's a good fit for you. And if it is, you'll get access to the FlowChat Affiliate Academy, and you can start going through it right now. So we'll see you in there. It's a step-by-step plan, even more detailed than what I shared with you today. And if you are not against trying it, you want to see if this is maybe a good fit for you, try it for 30 days free, no cost to you. You can make money. That's the whole point of this. Get your recurring revenue into $500 plus per month, which is $6K per year. Then go ahead, click the button below. It's going to be a couple questions. Simply answer them, submit them, and then you'll get access if we think you're a good fit. If not, we'll let you know where to go and what to do, and we'll go from there. So see you on the inside.